Yo, what up everybody, I'm Linz, and this is my brick wall diorama from Linz Labs. So immediately off the bat, this is extremely self-explanatory, and actually this has ended up being one of my favorite dioramas that I've ever made. It's so simple, extremely effective, it's really easy to put together, but for some reason, I love it. I don't know, it's just like, it captures the scene, whether you want to build New York City or Chicago, downtown Los Angeles. It captures that aesthetic perfectly, and it's extremely easy to 3D print and put together. This is, like I said, my favorite diorama that I've ever made. And you can just imagine the almost limitless possibilities of figures that you can put and set up with this diorama. Mutant Ninja Turtles, G.I. Joe even, Back to the Future like I have right here, Predator even, Akira. And this is one of those kits that you can just kind of do whatever you want to it. You can weather it, you can paint it, scratch it up, make it look dirty, keep it clean, but ultimately that's the beauty of it, of course. So the first thing I'll do is just show you how to put it together. Literally, there you go. I actually have nothing else to say about that. These pieces come right off of your printer and immediately onto your shelf. It's actually insane. And that's exactly why this is now officially like one of my favorite dioramas that I've made. So I made 3 unique wall segments. You've got the flat wall, the column wall, and this window wall, which comes with an insertable boarded up looking window. And the boarded up window works really well to give, kind of that rugged rundown look, especially with these added replaced bricks on the wall. I wanted to make it look like, maybe some of the bricks broke or fell out and they were replaced with new bricks. If I didn't do that, it wouldn't look as effective. I really want to make this piece really affordable. This is going to be great for toy photography and just regular displaying for your shelf. I'm actually really excited to see what people do with this because I feel like there's a lot of possibilities with the brick colors and weathering. There's a lot of different collections out there from, like I said, Akira, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I could see this thing being set up with so many different collections, and I would really love to see what you guys do with it. So you can see I've got Griff on the left, we got Doc Brown on the right, and then some of the turtles in the middle. Just to kind of, give a little variety of the display. They're all kind of slightly different sizes, but the whole kit is 1/12 scale, so it will work with all of your 1/12 scale figures, including Black Series as well as McFarlane toys, like you can see right here. We've got the McFarlane Akira on the left, and a little Duel of Fates happening on the right. Obviously not canon, but this is definitely really easy for you to understand the scale of this. And honestly, that's it. I don't have much else to say about it. It kind of speaks for itself. Really easy to print, really easy to set up. Or if you don't have a 3D printer, as always, you can find this kit and all the information for it on my website, linzlabs.net. So if you made it this far into the video, as always, I really appreciate it. I would also really appreciate if you liked, commented, and subscribed, and share it with a friend if you can, because that'll tell YouTube to push this content to more collectors like you, which will really help my brand and my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching. This is a quick, easy one. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.